We need to fix that annoying ChatGPT internal server error that keeps blocking your conversations. This is an HTTP 500 code, which means the issue is happening on OpenAI's backend servers. But there are a few manual overrides we can use to bypass the glitch right now. First, click the Reload button on your browser, or press Command R on Mac and Control F5 on Windows to force a hard refresh. If the text input box is still frozen, move your mouse to the top left corner of the screen and click on New Chat. Starting a fresh conversation thread clears the stuck request queue and usually connects you to a functional server node immediately. If that does not work, we need to isolate your browser data. Move your cursor to the top right corner of your browser. Click the three dots to open the menu and select New Incognito Window or Private Window. Log back into your account from this clean slate. By doing this, you are stripping away corrupted temporary files. But the important thing is that it also completely disables your active browser extensions. Security tools, script blockers, and privacy add-ons frequently conflict with OpenAI's API authentication, so testing an incognito tells us instantly if an extension is the culprit. Now, if the error persists, we need to adjust your network route. Move down to your system tray or taskbar, open your network connections, and toggle your VPN completely off. You should also temporarily disable any secure DNS features or web protection software running in your background settings. While these tools protect your privacy, they also mask your IP address in a way that can trigger ChatGPT's firewall, causing the server to reject your prompt. In my case, switching from a congested local Wi-Fi connection directly over to mobile data fixes the routing loop every single time. If none of these steps clear the message, move your mouse to the bottom left corner of the ChatGPT interface. Click on your profile icon and select Log Out. Once you are signed out, close your browser completely, reopen it, and sign back into your account. If the internal server error still pops up after a clean login, it means OpenAI is experiencing a major traffic overload or a backend system outage. And the only solution is to wait a few minutes for their engineers to deploy a fix.